Welcome to the next episode of the Dark Web Deacon. Before we begin, be sure to smash that subscribe button, click the bell to turn on notifications, and check out the latest items in the Dark Web Deacon merch store. There is a link in the video description below, and become a true Dark Web enthusiast. New videos are published every Monday and Thursday. Today I want to talk about identity theft affidavits. I've mentioned it a few times in some of my other videos, but I felt it probably could use a little more explanation. So, an identity theft affidavit is a document used by victims of identity theft to prove to businesses that your personal information was used to open a fraudulent account. This document includes personal information as well as a formal statement about the facts surrounding the identity theft. So the question comes up, where can I get an identity theft affidavit form? Well, first contact the Federal Trade Commission, the FTC, to file a formal complaint through their website at identitytheft.gov. You will report what happened, and the FTC will craft what they call a recovery plan that helps guide you through the process of remediating the situation. I will provide a link in the video description below. Once you provide the FTC with your information, you'll get an FTC identity theft report, which among other things will include your identity theft affidavit. This document will play a key role in providing official proof of the fraud when you go to dispute new accounts or marks on your credit file. So what personal information do I need to file an identity theft report? Well, thankfully not too much. To complete the FTC's identity theft affidavit information, you need to provide some basic personal data. One is your social security number, two is your physical full address, and then also your contact information. You also need to provide your driver's license number or another form of government-issued ID. Once you provide your personal data, you'll be asked to explain in detail what fraud was committed. In terms of details, they're looking for such things as if your credit report is still currently accurate or if there's incorrect information as a result of the fraud on your credit report, whether any erroneous new accounts or inquiries are now in your credit report as a result of the fraud, and details of these accounts. And lastly, since this is an affidavit in an official statement, you'll need to declare whether you're authorizing anyone else to use your information, whether you benefited in any way from the fraud, and whether you're willing to work with law enforcement if charges are brought against anyone found to have stolen your identity. So this is a little bit just of a formality since this is an affidavit is an official legal document. So basically you're just saying you had nothing to do with the fraud and you're just stating that for the record. Another common question is, do I need an identity theft affidavit to report fraud use on any of my accounts? Well, not always. And if you know you are a victim, you should start to contact any companies impacted immediately. The affidavit can come second. However, your lender may require you to fill out an affidavit form to complete the fraud investigation on your account. Ultimately, each creditor or business will have its own fraud protocols, and it's important you contact each one directly to see what they require when reporting identity theft or fraud. In some cases, they may want a police report in addition to a notarized identity theft affidavit form. In other cases, they may resolve the fraud internally without any additional documentation or any type of fraudulent affidavit form from you. Can I use the FTC's identity theft affidavit to report tax fraud? Simple answer is no. You need a specialized affidavit for this case. The IRS identity theft affidavit, known as Form 14039, this will help you resolve any IRS-related issues you may be experiencing due to identity theft. You can submit Form 14039 online as part of the FTC report process on identitytheft.gov. Thanks for watching, and as always, please like, subscribe, and provide comments, and turn on notifications by clicking the bell in order to check out future videos published twice a week.